In this video, I'll show you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the third option, which is automations. Now, once you are on the automation section, head over to the top and the right corner, click on build from scratch. From here, you want to add your flow details. Let's just name this our automation for this campaign. At the bottom, you want to choose the appropriate audience and then click on choose a trigger. Now, when choosing a trigger, there are actually a lot. On the left-hand side, you have contact activity, and these are the most common. We have tag added, signs up for email. On the popular ones, we have here when someone signs up for an email, buys any product, buys a specific product. You can also do abandons as well as shipping confirmation and when someone views a product. Now, what I will do is signs up for email. Now, this means that whenever someone signs up to our campaign, on the left-hand side, you can also include the imported contacts. Now, when you import a contact, I do suggest you add a filter. Now, click on filter. Now, this will ask you to create a segment. So on the left-hand side, whenever we import an audience, we want to set them as new members. So at the bottom, we will click on tags. On the second option, you want to mention contact is tagged. And from here, you want to select a new tag, which is new members. Now, whenever you import a contact, make sure that you add this tag. And at the top and the right corner, use segment. Once you do that, it will automatically include or filter our imported contacts. At the bottom, click on Save Trigger. And once you click on Save Trigger, as you can see, we now have a trigger for our automation. Now, if you do have a trigger, the next step is to choose an action. Now, let's say whenever someone signs up or joins our campaign, on the left-hand side, we can do a send email, send SMS, send a survey in email. You can group them or ungroup, tag or untag, or you can update their contact. Let's say that we want to send them an email, so simply hold and drag and add it to the step. Now, what you can also do is add a second trigger. This will be a second condition. So if you add trigger number 2, let's say that on the contact activity, when someone leaves an audience group, in here you want to select a group. And once you do that, it will automatically have a second option, as you can see here, but it will have the same automations. So you want to make sure that these triggers have the same purpose so that whenever you send them an email, it will be the same thing. Now, in between the trigger and the email or the action, you can add a time delay. So on the rules, simply hold and drag time delay. On the left-hand side, you want to select a day, either hours, days, or weeks. We will set this as 1 hour. And if we click on save, you will have a time delay. You can also do an if-else statement. So in here, you can add a step. Now, an if-else is that you can set one or more conditions. Now, when a contact or a contact leaves, you can set a condition. If the condition is yes, then you can add this email. If the condition is no, then you can add a different segment. Now, you can do a lot of things and play around with how the automation works. At the top and the right corner, you can even do send test emails in order for you to see how it looks like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.